For this question, we are asked to describe two examples of the use of automation in industrial product manufacture. Before we move any further, it's important that we clarify what the term automation might mean. So, automation is the use of computer systems and control technology to operate equipment. This takes away from humans from operating the equipment. Automation can have both advantages and disadvantages for different groups of people. For example, for the company, a big advantage is that automated equipment doesn't need breaks. It can work day and night, meaning production can continue 24 hours a day. Additionally, computerized equipment is programmed to operate or produce accurate and consistent outcomes. Therefore, the margin of error is much lower and far reduced than we would experience through human error. Unfortunately, however, for the workers that were once on the production lines, they will become replaced by the automated equipment, which could mean less jobs are available. We must ensure that our answer acknowledges that we are being asked to consider automation in industrial product manufacture. The cost of automation and setting the equipment up to do a particular job can be vast. Therefore, automation is often found in large-scale manufacture, such as mass and batch production in large scales within factories, for repetitive tasks. You must consider this when creating your answer. Now that we have considered automation, let's look back at the question and check the command word that is used within this. Here we are being asked to describe two examples. Therefore, we must narrate, give an account, tell a story about our examples. Each example must be worth 2 marks, as there is 4 marks available in total for this question. I'm going to begin my first example with the use of automated robotic arms. These arms are a device that are computer controlled to undertake tasks that are similar to that of a human arm. It may be that they pick something up, they move it, they turn it over, and they will often be one small part of a much larger automated system. Automated arms can also be used for assembling products on a production line, like screwing a lid onto a jam jar. Secondly, I'm going to describe the use of CAM, computer-aided manufacture. This could be a laser cutter to cut my materials to the correct size and shape. As the laser cutter is an example of computer systems and control technology operating equipment, this is a fantastic example of automation, one that many of you may have experienced within your learning. You can see in this model answer we have described 2 examples, both of which would be awarded 2 full marks, one for naming automated equipment such as the robotic arm or the CAM equipment, and the second for the role that the equipment does, which is written in blue. So this would be the assembling of the products on a production line and the cutting of materials to the correct size and shape. This comprehensive answer would allow us to access the 4 full marks which are offered here for this question. You can see in this model answer we have described 2 examples, both of which would be awarded 2 full marks, one for naming automated equipment such as the robotic arm or the CAM equipment, and the second for the role that the equipment does, which is written in blue. So this would be the assembling of the products on a production line and the cutting of materials to the correct size and shape. This comprehensive answer would allow us to access the 4 full marks which are offered here for this question.